morning. It's day 2. Day 1 was a disaster. Nathan and Jason did well. Someone fell out, but people caught fish, so it was good. But the weather was horrendous, and those of us that were on the wrong side of the water, by the time we had battled across the waves, decided it was time to come in. So we came in after just a few hours, and the other guy stuck it out for another 2, I think, in a sheltered bay before they called it. So kayak's ready. Martin's over there, Jason's over there, Welsh guys are down the bottom, Scottish guys ready to leave. Don't remember anybody's names, barely remember my own most days. Phil and Liz over there, Ian and Rachel over there, other random people over there, Tony's hiding somewhere. So yeah, we shall see. Hopefully Jason can outdo Nathan, which would be quite good fun. But, yeah, we'll see, and I'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go up there. Where we were.
Yeah, yeah, it's mine, don't worry about it. Just across the lake.
Alright.
Better help someone else. Leave your own boat. Right, mine. I don't even know what to do to catch a fish in these conditions. This is ridiculous. How you getting on? How many trout you had? Say that again? You had loads?
Right.
Oh, right. I think we want to be hidden behind them trees, mate, out of the wind.
Yeah, that's where I'm gradually heading.
There's a whole bunch of fish here. How you getting on, mate?
What?
How you getting on?
Yeah, crap.
I found fish, but I can't get them to bite.
No, you've got big streams coming running through.
Yeah. What do we have to do to catch these fish, mate? By the time you changed your f***ing rig, you're miles away, ain't you? Huh?
Yeah, mate.
Found any fish?
There's loads around here.
Are they still over there? Sort of, they were like 25, 26 foot, weren't they?
Yeah.
You had enough, mine? Where are you going? Pardon? You don't want to get stuck over that other side again, mate? I think we should go down there, bud.
Yeah, mate, so do I.
Come on then. I'm just sharpening up some rusty bit of shit.
Knife bait. What?
I don't know what else to try.
So do I. Dead bait.
I've got some mackerel in the van. I reckon wobbled trout is what you want to be doing. I'd rather catch. I've never been a winner.
No, not mine, mate.
I think head into that cove, mate, and upset all them bank anglers.
Yeah, mate.
Got to try something. I'll follow you down. Say that again?
Keep dropping these little birds.
I'm glad you didn't get in any bites, mate. I've no idea what to use.
I had 2 perch and a micro pipe.
Were you just drop shot in soft plastics, are you?
Yeah, tiny little, very slim, just maybe it's an inch long.
Any particular colour?
This one's dark green.
So it's the same I'm using. This drop shotting isn't really my forte, to be honest.
To be flying it, I just need chuck the perch back yesterday, not thinking. And I won fish competition. And then I thought, fuck, it all counts. So if I'd kept that yesterday, I would have had my perch. 3 perch.
It's always the way, isn't it?
And I bumped about 3.
We'll try one of these for a giggle.
I'll give them that. I'll give it a half, but it won't let us up for it. Got a little bit of yellow on the tail.
Oh yeah, it's very similar to what I've got, what I had on before I changed to these rubber worms that they're not having none of. We'll keep going. Has old matey just decided to fish the other side of the reservoir caught anything yet? Has he caught anything yet? Captain the other side of the reservoir? He was over by the f***ing yacht club a little while ago. Oh, fucking piss taking. You're not tying on to anything else, are you? Oh, I've snagged this boy, damn it. Just follow the guys that are catching. If I'm drifting towards you, it ain't on purpose.
No, that's alright.
Can't even try a new rig on without blowing halfway home. Is that what they're taking? Is it just tiny, tiny stuff?
Yeah. Scales right down.
I would expect it to be the pike to be taking full-size lures and that, because they'd be smashing the trout. But yesterday I was using, you know, what I call a proper size lure. I couldn't get a take. I need a fish. I can't go home without catching. Otherwise I'm going to have to go to Morrison's and pretend I caught something. Right, let's get back in a bit closer now. Oh, I've got something on there that might catch something. You having any issues getting yours down with the weight?
What's the one?
Yeah, I thought about that.
Could have been a little kid.
Yeah? You'll never know.
Dead brave.
Keep dreaming, Martin. Keep dreaming, mate.
Anything up there?
No, there was sort of there. Should have gone that way really a bit. Thing is, I'm doing. The guy I was talking to behind you over there, he's had 2 perch and a pike.
Yeah.
And he's doing exactly the same. He's got a little green lure on the drop shot.
Yeah.
And he's catching them. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing of any size though, mate.
Yeah, mate, you're both big enough for that.
I've come all this way for a 10cm perch. Yeah.
Where the trees on the bank stop, there's a fence.
Yeah.
Right, just this side of it is about 18 foot, 16 to 18 foot. And
Yeah.
a big meter plus follow me up and get me on top of trace. Missed the lure by 2 foot.
That's what I caught on. Little tiny green thing.
Now you went to see what I caught. I've got on.
Hang on. Yeah, I tried worms, didn't get mate. Have you got any of these little green things I'm using? Do you want one?
You had anything?
One tiny perch a minute ago.
Mate, what about you?
Here,
Anything? No, mate.
I'm gonna pull that back in.
Did anyone else catch you?
Yeah, the guy in the PDL had something a minute ago, but I don't know what on. A little hornet something, so it must be small. On the basis it's going to get windy, I'm going to go fish down where he said before this lot go back. He said there's loads of pike down by the fence on this side in 18 foot of water. He just had a metre pike. So if the wind's going to pick up, everyone's now down here, I'm going to go back down by that fence.
Yeah, right.
Fancy that?
Yeah, I'll meet you down there.
Yeah. Only little perch again, but they'll do. Behind me. They're right, just little perch right on the bottom, Martin.
Yeah.
Right on the bottom. I'm taking pictures of mine.
I'm sorting it out when you get back.
I'm doing both when I get signal to make sure that I'm definitely covered.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how you get on the bottom.
I've had to put 2 weights on. If that weight's not heavy enough, stick another. Well, it's not heavy enough. Stick another one on. Yeah, but they're right on the bottom. Well, that's where I'm getting the bites from anyway. I'm gonna go find some shallower water, I think. That's another one, Martin. I'm still above it. Can't catch anything from it though. Even right on the bottom. Kayak fishing like is hard work, isn't it? Like this is proper hard work, Barry. There's a nice little drop off here, but trying to hold on it.
Yeah,
And I've got a kayak that's manoeuvrable. Knows how you're doing it.
never underestimate the Chinese, mate.
You like a bit of Jay when it's squid fishing, don't you?
Oh, without that, mate.
I'll convert you.
Yeah, you're doing that, mate.
It's not. I never said I convert you doing this. If we get to Sky, mate, you'll be the new lure pollock angler by the time we leave. You'll never want to touch squid again. I come up here to support Nathan, and all I've done in return is affect my mental health. Who's supporting me? I've got to catch a trout and a pike. I thought it was full of trout. I hadn't even had a trout bite. When I look for these shoals of fish and I find them, I don't catch nothing. I'm wondering whether not worry about that at all and just move about. Can't buy a bite, we're using the same gear. Same lure. I'm going to go over and cover a bit of ground where there's less people, I think. Get in a bit close, head back down towards where he said these pike were. Yeah.
I just can't get my head round. I'm drop shotting on a water with, what's the name? 30-pound pike.
It's, yeah.
Following the normal, I can't do that.
It's a bit odd, isn't it? Yeah. You got one?
Trout.
Caught something, Barry.
Yeah, mate.
You're the man. Well done, dude. Come on, look at me. Smile. I've just put a little weight on in the hope that will punch it out a bit further. If we can't find another one. I couldn't, I'd have to show you the photo. Not very big, maybe 60 or 70. Well, I put it on the board, but I didn't look at it. I just took the photo and got on. How long it was, I didn't really pay a lot of attention.
I had two up there around the corner, like on big baits.
Yeah?
Nothing around here.
My attitude is see what the bailiffs are doing and then follow them. Because if anyone's going to be catching, it'll be you guys.
Bit of rain's gone now, nice.
Yeah, just what you need. It's been a rain all day now, isn't it?
I think so, steady on, yeah.
Yeah. See how long we can put out of it before we get off.
You driving on tonight? You stopping on tonight?
No, we're going up to Crinan.
You leaving today, though?
Yeah. Yeah, we're fishing in the morning. That's not the first time I've seen you sat still while pedalling.
No.
So I just went over and you did what fishermen do best, interrogated the bailiffs.
Yeah.
Because they're the only ones that ever catch. They're literally, they say that all the pike sit in the margin.
There's no features in it.
So you need, if you want to target some pike, put something big on and basically do what they're doing.
Yeah. I tried that.
Well, we haven't fished the margins like they have though. They're in 6 foot of water.
Yeah, that bailiff's saying
None of us have been that close in. Although everyone's slowly getting closer to the bank now.
we've had a bit of bank.
He was saying that everyone down the other end is catching loads of perch. Jason's now 5th. Martin Woodward, you're 14th.
Yeah, out of how many?
For 27. There's still a lot of people that ain't caught nothing.
Yeah, oh, 8's gonna come.
There's still a long way to go. Yeah, mate, that's why.
Rain coming across there, mate.
Yeah, I'm off, Barry. I'm glad we got out and caught some fish. Now we're going to go and hide in the dry.
We ain't going to make the dry, mate.
Make a run for the van, mate.
Let's just fuck off to Crinan, let's go.
Oh, here we go. Here comes the rain, guys. So, time to go and hide, I think. Really?
Why do we do this?
Really?
Shit fisherman.
I've still got my skit flooded down. I'm done, mate. If this rains, even if it just rains for an hour, I'm done.
South of France, maybe?
Yeah, that'll do. Bye. Come on then. So we're on land. We're on land, me and Martin. We are on land. Started to rain, we abandoned ship. So Martin had himself a nice trout, 40 centimetre. I had a nice trout, 38 centimetre. 2 perch, 14, 15 and 16 centimetre. And a pike, which I think was 68, but I mean, I don't know, because I do everything in pounds, because real fishermen weigh their fish. People that measure stuff, what a load of old crap. It's about what it weighs anyway. So I had a pike maybe 5 or 6 pound, maybe a couple of perch that were like minnow size, but anyway, it's been good, had a laugh. decided the competition fishing isn't for me. I'd rather have one big fish and use whatever tactic you can to catch it, as opposed to a load of rules set out and whatnot. Just not for me. But I might come back again because the people are good. It's been good. Had a laugh. Just shame about the weather. So myself and Martin Widward Widdly Woo and Jason the Scallywag are going to be headed up to Crinan. Hopefully the weather will be better. From there, who knows? More pike fishing the way I want to do it, or maybe off the Skye, which would be even better. So we shall see. But that's the end of this trip. We're sort of holding in there, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, Martin.
Yeah. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Catch you later.
Like and subscribe, people.